Hello London View Dill viewers. Today we're making it easy to make chocolate cake in a mug using a microwave, a spoon, a mug, and the ingredients of a chocolate cake. Before we start the video, I would like to say Happy New Year to everyone and please subscribe to our channel. Let's see if we can reach 500 subscribers by the end of March. Anyway, on with the video. 1 egg. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, no flavor oil. 2 tablespoons of milk. 2 tablespoons of either Maida flour or wheat flour. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. A 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate powder. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. One by one, put all ingredients, in the order of a recipe of a chocolate cake, into a mug, then whisk with a spoon, then put the mug chocolate cake in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Remember, don't forget to remove the spoon before put your mug chocolate in the microwave. Finally, add or sprinkle any toppings of your choosing, preferably chocolate chips. Please subscribe to our channel. Let's see if we can reach 5 likes on this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to London View Dill on YouTube.